Welcome. If you're looking to allow contact access on your Google Drive app, you're in the right place. In this updated guide, I'll walk you through every step to make sure Google Drive can access your contacts on your phone. This can help with sharing files, collaborating, and making the most out of Google Drive's features. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head over to your device's settings. This is usually represented by a gear icon and can be found on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps or sometimes App Management. The exact name can vary depending on your phone's brand or Android version, but it's generally easy to spot. Tap on it to see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Now, scroll through your apps until you find Google Drive. When you see it, tap on the Google Drive app to open its settings. Here, you'll find several options that control how the app interacts with your device. Next, look for the option called Permissions. This section lets you manage what kind of information and features Google Drive can access on your phone. Tap on Permissions to continue. Inside the Permissions menu, you'll see a list of different types of data and features like camera, storage, and contacts. Find Contacts in the list and tap on it. You'll now be given a choice to allow or deny contact access. Select Allow to grant Google Drive permission to access your contacts. This step is important if you want to easily share files with people you know or collaborate directly through the app. That's it. You've successfully enabled contact access for Google Drive on your phone. Now, sharing and collaborating with your contacts will be much smoother and more convenient. If you ever want to change this permission, just follow these steps again and adjust the settings as needed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other guides for more helpful tips.